I got no. And ouch. I'm going to show you guys today how I spend my Mondays without going for lectures. We didn't wake up early today, my sister and I, but I'm planning to go to the market really soon. So I'm ready to leave for the market. I'm going to pick a card and I go. So I got to the market, but I was so tight that I couldn't really record, and the place was packed. This was the less busy place I could at least record a little. So I had finished with my shopping, and then I was taking a car back to campus. But we had somewhere to go, which was we had field service, my sister and I. So I told her earlier to prepare before I get back, and she did just that. So after the field service, we got back to the hostel and changed, and we went to KFC to eat, of course. Yeah.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 of my eyes. Yeah, my mind is a warning. Crazy down while you're lying. I've been wondering all day. Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind. My mind is run. All these thoughts have troubled me. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah. I really need time. Oh my goodness.
I guess you are wondering what had happened, so let me just explain. The hair product used for my hair was washed by the rain, and it was crawling up on my face because it rained before we got to KFC, but we couldn't show you that part. Yeah, so that was what had happened. So now I'm done washing it off my face, and it's time to take more videos and pictures.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things don't not come easy, no. Never been your average girl, so take time with me, take time.
Now it's time for us to leave because we're done eating. Yeah, bye.
Wait, let me come on this side of the. Oh, he said she must have. Then that is it. We're going to chill, and now we are walking. So we are supposed to take a car to where we are going to back to the hostel, but I just remembered I don't know if we said it earlier, but when we were coming, it was raining so hard that we used our money to buy raincoats. So I'll have to withdraw money before we can pick a short.
I couldn't complete my sentence because I had to hide my phone. I hope you understand. Yeah, so we got into Petroski and then headed back to our hostel. No. Hi guys. So we are back. Let me see if am I okay. I'm in it. We are back. Why have you moved your wig? But my sister is in a bad mood because I won't mention, but someone has pissed her off. Yeah. But we didn't do an outfit check before. We didn't think it was necessary, but let's do it. She's taking her wig off. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why she's taking her wig off, but I think this is going to be the end of our vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Ouch. So kindly do well to like the video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in my next video. Yeah. Bye. 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 Bye.